still thinking SAP ECC and SAP S4HANA are same, then you are already behind in 2026. Because companies today don't just need ERP, they need real-time intelligent ERP. Hi everyone, this is Santosh Hota, your SAP mentor and trainer. In this video, I will explain you 10 major difference between SAP ECC and SAP S4HANA with real-time business example, so that whenever you will go for any interview, you will be able to answer it confidently. The first difference is database architecture. ECC runs on traditional database like Oracle, DB2, SQL Server, all the third-party database, whereas S4HANA runs only on HANA database, which is in-memory database of SAP. So ECC stores data on disk, which is slower to read as well as write, whereas S4HANA stores data in memory with real-time processing. For example, a finance team running profitability report. In ECC, it takes around 20 to 30 minutes, whereas in S4HANA, it runs instantly. That to be with real-time margin analysis. The second difference is its data model simplification. ECC was so complex, it has so many database tables like MKPF, MSCG, BSCG, BSIS, BSAS, whereas in S4HANA it has been completely simplified. We have ACDOCA, MATDUC, very less number of database tables. So it eliminates data duplicacy, data redundant, and it is also known as the single source of truth. Whatever the data you want, you can get it from one table. For example, ECC data spread across multiple tables, whereas in S4HANA, all financial postings stores in Universal Journal ACDOCA. The third difference is its user interface. ECC based on GUI, graphical user interface, that is classic one, whereas S4HANA has modern user interface using SAP Fiori. Fiori is role-based as well as it has personalized dashboards. For example, a sales manager. In ECC runs multiple transaction code like BA05, BA03, but in S4HANA, single Fiori app, sales order fulfillment can do it. Fourth difference is real-time processing. In ECC, we have so many batch job processing, periodic batch jobs, whereas in S4HANA, we have real-time processing, no batch dependency, so that decision can be taken instantly. For example, inventory check. In ECC, it's always delayed to updates, whereas in S4HANA, it is real-time, stock visibility across plants. The fifth difference is analytics and reporting. In ECC, we have separate BW, BI system to analyze the data and prepare the reports, whereas in S4HANA, we have embedded analytics. For example, a CFO. In ECC, extract data to BW or BI system, then analyze it, then prepare the report. Whereas in S4HANA, we have live dashboard with KPIs. The sixth difference is material ledger. In ECC, it is optional, whereas in S4HANA, it is mandatory. So that we can get the accurate product costing with multiple currencies. For example, a manufacturing company. In ECC system, standard cost only shows, whereas in S4HANA, it will show actual cost plus variance tracking in real time. The seventh difference is business partner concept. In ECC, we have separate master data for customer and vendor. If single person, so many data we have to create. Whereas in S4HANA, we have single master data for customer as well as for vendor. That is business partner. Only entity can be both customer and vendor. For example, a distributor. In ECC, we need to create twice. While in S4HANA, we create the single BP with dual role, vendor and customer. The eighth difference is requirement planning. In ECC, it's classic MRP, batch job, whereas in S4HANA, it is MRP live. We have real-time scenarios, which is faster planning using in-memory computing. For example, a production in ECC, MRP run overnight, whereas in S4HANA, MRP run instantly during the day, during the transaction. The ninth difference is its code optimization. In ECC, we have traditional ABAP Whereas in S4HANA, we have code optimized for HANA, for CDS views as well as AMDP. For example, customer report. In ECC, we have heavy ABAP logic, whereas in S4HANA, we have CDS view for faster and real-time processing. The 10th difference is its deployment options and innovation. ECC is mostly on-premise deployment option only, whereas in S4HANA, we have cloud, on-premise and hybrid. In cloud also we have public cloud and private cloud deployment options. So it is faster innovation, scalability and AI integrated as well. For example, a retail company. In ECC it has very limited scalability, whereas in S4HANA with cloud it can expand globally very quickly. So these are the 10 major difference between SAP ECC and SAP S4HANA.